this one, isn't it? Yes or no? So now you have this one, you have this one, you find this one. So from this one, rearrange lah. So it becomes a plus sign. Contribution plus. So remember, one formula, you can find any of the variables inside. So in costing, in ABC, in this topic, you basically have 3 variables in one formula. So rearrange it. So 2 lines of working and 1 line for answer. 3 marks. Okay, easy enough. So give me your break-even point, you get 1 mark. Give me your contribution per unit, you get 1 mark. Then after that, you use the selling price formula, and then the answer is 2 marks. Ya, macam itulah. Macam itu sahaja. Macam itu sahaja. Boleh buat. Boleh tak boleh. Boleh tak boleh. Okay, give me answer. So the chart played up yesterday. Answer. So Man is the only one giving me answer today. What about the rest? I want to find the contribution per unit. And then after that, Yao Xian say don't know. Yao Xian, look at the board. Don't say don't know. I'm already guiding you. And working is already on the board. I already told you in a formula, when you have 2 ticks, you can always find the question mark. Don't say don't know. Use your otak. Understand? Why do you think I give you the 2 formulas on the board? 2 formulas is 2 lines of working. So while you may not know the question, but now I'm giving you the working. So it's a matter of rearranging. That's all. Rearranging and then find your answer. Yes or no? Working is on the board. Working is on the board. D, so don't tell me don't know. You got 2 ticks, right? You tell me you cannot find the question mark in the first equation. Tell me, can or cannot? Give me your answer, contribution per unit. What's this? Haven't typed finish yet. Doing slow. Doing slowly. But what do you mean? Doing slowly, doing which one? Are you doing 1C, 1B? Which one? Then why you say don't know? You keep quiet. I'm doing slowly. So cannot reply. Yeah, then don't say don't know, because working on the board. Understand or not? Don't know is not acceptable unless you tell me you don't understand the formula. That's different story. I haven't typed finish. Okay, never mind, you take your time. You take your time. So take your time anyway. Now go back to the board. How many of you need the board? Okay, make it small. I don't know how many of you need the board. Okay, everything is there. Everything is there. Now again, I tell you, don't worry. Yeah, maybe I should show. Yeah, but I show you also. You'll be doing, right? So no point also. But I need you to understand. Presentation is up to you. Okay, writing out the working is up to you. Make sure you just understand. That's all. If you understand, then it's easy. If you don't understand, then it's hard. Oh, yeah, that's why now straight away lah. We start this one already. No point doing class exercise. But remember how to draw that graph, the graph with the 4 lines. That is important. The graph with the 4 lines is important. Who has finished? Who has finished? Who has finished? I want the contribution per unit. Give me your answer. Give me your answer. They give you break even, so you can use it to find contribution per unit. Understand or not? Do you understand? Okay, Man. Again, only Man is giving me all the answers. What is happening to the rest of you? Okay. So Man has already given the answer. So what did I say? In an equation, as long as you have got 2 tick, you can find, isn't it? So if you look at D, because I'm just trying to show you how to go about. So your main job is to know your formula. So from here, I want contribution per unit. So always swap side. This one go up and this one come down. Yes or no? So it's fixed cost divided by break even. Okay? And you get your figure. And then your figure is 125. Then after that, this one you have, this one now you have, so you can get your answer, 285 with a dollar sign. And how did I get this formula? Because it's from here. So rearrange. Right, so this one go to the other side. So it's a plus sign. This minus one becomes a plus. Okay, understand? Now after this one, then you go and give me E. I want E. Now, ABC is a very easy topic because it's just plus, minus, multiply, or divide, other than your compound interest formula, where the power function comes in. So now maybe you're not so familiar, then comes practice. You need to practice to know your formulas, right? So now continue. Go and give me E. What is E? E is to work out the total cost of production at break even. Okay, remember, you have two ways to do this question. Total cost of production at break even. So at break even, we say we don't make profit, we don't make loss. So what are the two ways we can use to calculate? I let you work out. Then I show you. Then if you don't know, you copy what? If you don't know, you copy what I will write on the board. Okay, meantime, I let you do first. Now, if you have any questions, you ask. You don't keep quiet. If you're slow, it's okay. You're slow means you just need time. That's all. Slow is okay as long as you understand. But if you don't understand, then you better let me know. You don't keep quiet. You keep quiet, then how? Isn't it? You keep quiet, nobody can help you. So give me the answer. I would prefer someone else other than Manna. Understand somebody else other than Man to give me the answer. Finish or not? Okay, let's see. Answer. 285 is correct, man. I already did on the board, right? I want answer from somebody. Okay, Mia is giving me a figure. Okay, which is correct. So, Mia, which way did you use? Give me which way. I want to know which way you use. I think you go out total cost way, right? Okay, that's fine. Now you can, because it says total cost, right? So you think total cost, which is fine. Okay. So total cost way is your fixed cost plus your variable cost. This is one way, right? And your variable cost, you have the number of units, isn't it? Right? How many number? And then you multiply by the variable cost per unit, and you get your answer. This is one way. Now, you have a faster way. What's the faster way? I can use break even. Oh, do I have selling price? Is selling price given or not in this question? Let me see. I think I'm given selling price or not. I have variable cost. Oh, they didn't tell me, oh. Oh, so cannot. Do I know my selling price? No, huh? So cannot. So cannot. Because I thought I can use time selling price. But this one not given. I thought I would be using this one. But this one have, this one don't have, so cannot. So means cannot. Okay, but if given, then can. Then you use this way. I didn't see the selling price is not there. Variable cost only. The whole question is on cost. Oh yeah, got. Oh, selling price. Hey, I have got it from here. D macam ini. I forgot. Okay, understand? So I already got my break-even point, I got my selling price, so I can use it to find this one. So two methods. If you don't know, you learn. So we have finished question 1. Copy what you need. Meantime, we look at question 2. So that's why you probably need 1 month to do a good number of questions. Okay, question 2 now. What does it say? So here we have 2 methods. And then they tell you the output of find the total cost. Find the level of output for which the cost is the same. Oh, okay. Now, any question on number 1 or not? If not, I'm starting to do question 2. I will show you. We define what is our unknown. I'm going to shift the board. You take snapshot. I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, if you're slow, take snapshot. Cannot wait for you to copy everything. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Okay, I'm going to shift. Now, we define what we don't know. So when you do question 2, we say like level of output equals to how many units Q because it's quantity, right? Okay, and then they tell you the total cost of the 2 methods is the same, and you know that the total cost of X, they use X equal the total cost of Y. Okay, and what is total cost made up of? You should know total cost is made up of fixed plus variable. So you go and put inside what is the fixed cost? The variable cost is always number times the variable cost per unit. Then you do the same right here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So one side is X, the other side is Y. Are you clear? Okay. So if you don't know, quantity output is Q. So this one is a Q. Yes or no? So it's a Q. Times. And complete it. The rule is all the Q to one side, figures to the other side. Q to one side, figures to the other side. Okay, do it now. Now, I think in your costing, you would have done this type of questions before. Tell me if correct or not, if I'm right or not. say. Somebody else can give me the answer. Multiply out. Break even, break even is the revenue lah. You tell me you cannot get the same answer. Okay, 16800 times 285. I get the same answer, man. Oh, the one got too many zeros. Let me see. Let me see. Is there too many zero? She give me how many zero? You should only have 3 zero, you know. Why you got so many zero, Gamya? The figure is 4788. And then only 3 zero. 1, 2, 3. Is that clear? Oh, you type 1. This is the answer. So, 285 times 16800 is this figure lah. Is the revenue you get. Revenue you get at break even. Revenue you get at break even is equal to total cost, because you don't make profit, you don't make loss. Revenue at break even equal total cost. Faham tak? Faham. Yeah, can find total cost lah. Cost you just now cannot find. Who cannot find? Oh, just now I didn't know. I didn't see the selling price. Yeah. I forgot about the selling price in D. I thought the question give me the selling price, but we did it in D. Main thing is you know. That's all. Are you clear? Okay? You understand? So now we're going to go to question 2 already. Yes or no? Question 2, I think you did in costing. You all use what we call the high-low method. Is it? Tell me. Tell me, is it called the high-low method in costing? Tell me what I don't know. Is it called the high-low method? Tell me what I don't know. Give me answer. So we write our working We're not doing so much like costing Just follow the working on the board. Is that clear? We want to understand rather than just memorize some sort of method. So this is standard. Level output is Q units. Then they tell me the total cost for both methods is the same. Then what is total cost? Total cost is fixed plus variable. How to find variable? I only have per unit. So of course I must multiply by number of units, isn't it? Then you solve lah. So algebra now comes in lah. So we are doing question 2. Give me answer. I want answer. The answer for me. Hello. Have you done this question in your costing? I want to know this type of question. Man, answer me. Question 2 now. Have you done this type of question in your costing? Yes or no? Man or Mia? Man or Mia? Forgot. Yeah, that's why I don't need you to remember. You follow our ABC way lah. Understand? I'm showing you the ABC way. Okay? That's why we want to understand the question and follow the question. We don't have to memorize any method. Understand or not? So I'm just following what the question tell me. So they asked me to find an unknown, so I define my unknown. Okay? Then they tell me the two costs is the same for both methods, so I equate lah. And then I remember, isn't it? Total cost is fixed plus variable. Then I go and continue. Right? Okay or not? Follow or not? Understand or not? Boleh tak? Unless you need me to write out everything. Yeah? Follow what is on the board and then start to write. Forgot how is okay. You just follow what is on the board. Do it now. All of you follow what is on the board. Now this is typical. This is typical type of question that comes up in your ABC. Excuse me. Okay. No, I don't know how to do. So that is my next question. Don't know, I show. Very simple. Know or don't know how to do. That's all. Do it. Okay. The rest, I hope you are doing the rest. You all have to push yourself. You have to push yourself. So some of you never answer me. So far only Man and Mia is giving me answers. This one, are you giving me answer? This one, Yuan Zhen. Derek. Are these students? So don't forget, 28th of September, no class. Replace on the 21st. Yong Ho, Yong Ho. Yong Ho, this one. Why no answer? Oh, I'm waiting. I put down okay, student. I'm waiting. This one, why no answer? Hui Mia or Hui Mia is Mia lah. Wing Yi. Wing Yi, why no answer? $8,000 is correct. Okay, so somebody has answered already. So all you do is just follow that. Yes or no? Okay, you fill in lah. This one you know lah. So you fill in. So plus. Okay, what is the variable cost for X? So they tell you the variable cost for X is 215. So times 215 lah. This one is given, so plus, right? This one variable cost for Y is 190. Okay. So we always shift small to big. So this is smaller, right? So you shift to this side. And this is smaller, right? So you shift to this side. So they exchange place. That's why it's a difference. So in your costing, actually, all you do is find the difference, right? That's why they call the high-low method. What's the difference? Minus R. This one minus this one. What do you get? 25Q equal how much? What's that difference? How much is the difference between the two fixed costs? Big minus small. I think it's 200,000. Okay, so now I want Q in that. So opposite, divide. That's why you must learn to shift. So we are finding the difference. In your costing, you find the difference between the two fixed costs and then between the two variable costs, and then you quit and get your answer. 3 marks. So costing here, ABC here also same. Okay? But I need you to understand we are shifting small to big that's why it's the difference because ABC is only multiply, plus minus multiply and divide so this one is minus and then divide. Okay, so we have done we have done A. Okay, then we go to part B. Then they tell you at this output. Okay, so at this output, so you should know what is called this output. Work out the total cost. So work out B. Total cost of Y. B. So total cost of Y. So you use the Y formula. Then at this output plus what times what? Okay. And give me your answer. Wei Lim is absent. So remember to tell him, please. Next week I should see him, hopefully. I don't hope him to be absent. So somebody give me the answer for 2B, then we can move on and try to finish up. Answer? Who got answer for me? Okay, Yong Ho is giving me an answer. That's good, Yong Ho. So Yong Ho is giving me correct. Okay, so that is the correct answer. No problem. So it's fixed plus variable. So at this output means the output at 8,000 units that you did in part A. Understand not? At this output. What output? The output that you did in part A. So you put inside here. Okay? Fixed plus variable. Fixed plus variable. So variable cost. And answer is 402. Okay. Then we want to go to C. Now to do C, 2 ways again. You don't know whether it's profit or loss, isn't it? So you work out your total revenue, work out your total cost. Okay, I'll show you. Since this is new. Work out your revenue, how much? Work out your total cost, how much? See who is bigger. Always big minus small. Or the other way is work out contribution. Do we know the contribution per unit? What minus what? Okay, and then after that, I want total contribution. What times what? And then I compare total contribution against my fixed cost. Who is bigger? Big minus small. Is that clear? Wait now, up to you. We're doing C, We're doing C. You can use total revenue. And then you can work out your total cost. So these are all big numbers. These are all big numbers. Do it now. Meantime, I will try. Oh, never mind. Do it afterwards. Do it afterwards. So you work out. Is it a profit or is it a loss? Rule is big minus small. I need big minus small. And then you tell me profit or loss. Big minus small. So see who can do it. Who has done it? Who managed to do it? Anyone? Manage? Got answer for me? So now I've got 3 students. So one is telling me it's a profit and it's 768,000. Oh, are you sure? So much profit. What's your revenue? Do you use total revenue minus total cost or use total contribution minus fixed cost? Which one? Now again, in exam, 8,000 is correct. Correct. Now in the exam, you can always use different method to check your working. Are you clear? Okay. So let's go to the board. So 8,000 is correct. So we have 2 methods. So revenue comes from number. The number is 12,000 times the selling price. Is that clear? And then what's the revenue? Your revenue is 4788. Then total cost you work out 4780. So big minus small. So this minus this. So 8K profit. Okay. Now this one, selling price minus variable cost. Contribution is 209. My number is still 12,000. What is my total contribution? 2508. My fixed cost is given 2500. So therefore, I make a profit again, big minus small. Okay, are you clear? So 2 ways. So let's move on. Move on to do part D. What does part D ask you to do? Wow, got E some more. Why I don't have? Oh, no, E. No, D only. Okay, what does it say? It says in the second production period, the cost is the same. They produce 15,000 units, but only sell 13,500. Okay. So only sell 13,500. The other one no value. Treating the unsold units as 0 value. Work out the profit or loss. So, okay, in this case, you have to work out the revenue. What is the revenue? From 13,500. Yes or no? And then what is your cost? And then you can work out your profit. Oh, wait, fixed cost is fixed. Oh, product A break even on 16,800 per period. Oh, what is, I just noticed something. I can't use total contribution minus fixed cost. Why, Interesting, I can't use this method. because so cannot. I don't know why cannot. I just this one does not work. Oh, if anybody can tell me, that'd be good. This one why? This is 2100K ma. So what's wrong? Okay, what's wrong? Meantime, just stick to total revenue minus total cost, and then give me the answer for D. Well, I'll try to look at C. We're doing question what? Oh, I saw the wrong one. Oh, it's 2005 ma. Can I saw the wrong thing. I saw question 1. Funny. Can. This is 25 ma. This is 25. Okay. Okay, already. Can. Yeah. Why I always do like that? Funny. Of course can. I also saw the wrong thing just now. Okay. Can. This one is for Y, ma. 2500. So meantime, oops. Who is giving me answer? Answer for me or not? Find the revenue. What is the revenue? Working is the same like C. Alright. Okay, let's finish up. So what's our revenue? 13,500 ma. You sell what price? Okay. Then you get 5386,500. Right, revenue. Then what's your total cost? Your fixed cost, how much? 2500K there. And then what's your variable cost? You have 15,000 units, Okay, you cannot use 13,500. Then multiply by, add them up. What do we get? And then you get 5350K. Okay, so what's the difference? It's the profit. So profit is how much? Minus out. And the answer is 36500. Okay, if you want, you can try the other method if you want. And see if you can get the same answer. Okay, so we stop here. Copy what you need. So we start at question 2. We finished 2 questions. We finished 2 questions and we continue next week. So this is page 39, question 2. Okay, April. Cabut. Boleh cabut.